everybody, Shauna here with a trunk club unboxing today. I haven't done trunk club in a while. I kind of got turned off by them for a couple reasons. One, I didn't feel like I was being very personally styled, which is important because otherwise I would just go shopping myself for stuff that doesn't look good on me and not my style because I'm a terrible shopper. Also, I felt like the quality of what I was getting wasn't matching the price. I don't mind spending a lot on really great pieces, but spending a lot on really crappy pieces was frustrating, and I felt like there was too much of that, and it was like very clearance rack at Nordstrom rack that we were getting in the boxes for a really high price. The last thing is I haven't got the impression, or my experience is that trunk club doesn't do casual well. If you are getting work clothes, you're in the right place, but I work from home, and so most of my clothes is hopefully cute casual. It's not weddings and work clothes. A lot of it was like what I would wear to a wedding or a fancy dinner, and I just don't do that very often, so I don't need that dressy of things. And so I was really struggling with their boxes, but I decided to give them another try. I did review what they send. They put that online. I took out a couple things that were too dressy, and they filled them with dressy things. But it's hard to tell online how things really look and are, and you can't tell the quality. So I'm really looking forward to opening this up and seeing what I really got. As you can tell, it is a huge box. I did ask for some workout clothes, and they did send a bunch of, or sorry, at least a couple. And they sent a couple pairs of shoes. Okay, they sent everything wrapped in plastic, but I also feel like makes so much waste. Sorry, I mean, I'm not that conscious about these things, but wow, it is a lot of waste. Okay, rather than going through everything, I am going to go try on some outfits, and then I'll come out and model for you, and you'll let me know what you think. Sound good? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I think Trunk Club did really, really well. The shoes, the boots are adorable. The cream sweater and the maroon pants. So let me tell you a little bit about each of them. The cream, or they call it beige turtleneck tunic sweaters by Caslon. It's $69 and it is really soft. It's like a heathered cream. It's super, super soft. You have to like this kind of neck, but I think it's fun. It is long in the back. It has a neat little ribbing on the side. Closer. You can wear it tucked. If you prefer to wear it kind of loose and opened, it's cute. I really like it. It's really soft and lovely. Okay, the next thing are these Nic skinny jeans by Nic+Zoe. And they're like a great wine color. They're super stretchy and they're $108, which is steep but not surprising. Let me show you. They're good heights for me, not super high-waisted, but not low. I mean, I think they would be considered high-waisted. The length is good, right at my ankle bone, so I could roll them or leave them as is. And they're just real stretchy and nice. I have kind of a wine-colored pair of pants, but they're not skinnies and they're not exactly like this, so I could maybe justify getting another pair, maybe. Okay, and then the last thing are the boots. These are the Neda waterproof booties by Blondo, and they're $121.95, which I'm not surprised either. Blondos are waterproof. They're adorable, but they're not cheap. I just got some snakeskin Blondos from Nordstrom's, but they have this cute little cutout. The heel's not too tall. It has a more rounded, I'm not that into really super pointy toes, and so they have a bit of rounded toe. They're a little clunky sounded, but they're a great camel color. Well, I think Trunk Club did well. This is my kind of casual outfit, and I feel like the quality is really good in everything in all three pieces. So let's see how they do on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I have so much on right now, so bear with me for a second. So I have this great faux leather Moto jacket, which I already have a Moto jacket, but I had him bring it just because it is so cute with the short collar. And it doesn't have too many embellishments. I do love wearing a Moto jacket with a long sweater to keep giving me a waist. Long bulky sweaters tend to make me feel kind of big and too many layers on and not a lot of shape. I lose all my shape with it. So putting on kind of a short Moto jacket with it at least helps me keep that waist. Okay, so let me tell you, the Moto jacket's $129. It's by Halogen. I mean, it's cute. I just don't need it, but I like it. All right, and then we have this great sweater, which is really fun. I've been seeing this style a lot recently with the big stripes. And I like the colors. I love the wine and the black. And the neck is kind of, I kind of left it a little bit sloppy looking because it's such a casual sweater. It's quite long. You could wear it with leggings if that's your jam. I really wanted to like this one. It's a little scratchy. I want it to be soft, and it's soft, but it's scratchy on my skin, and that's a deal breaker for me. It is the white stripe tunic sweater by Treasure and Bond, and it's $89. I really wanted to like this, but it is just too scratchy, and I won't reach for it. Okay, the last are these cut from, or no, it isn't the last. The jeans are cut from the Kloth. They're the Donnas, skinny, and I like cut from the Kloth. I tend to wear like Mia's, and maybe Connie's, but these ones are okay. I mean, I like them, but I think there's other ones that fit better on me. These, I don't necessarily love this fade and this wash. And you can see it kind of does this stripey thing here. It's not bad. I do like the length, and they sent me these great loafers that I think look really cute with it. I don't know if I'm absolutely in love with the loafers, but they are really comfortable, and these are Borns, and yeah, they're comfortable, but they're a little old lady. I don't know. Loafers are kind of in style, and I asked them to send me loafers, but then every time I put them on, I feel like I'm in the 90s kind of, or like an old lady. Wait, are these navy? Wait a minute. Oh no, they're black, but they're like a washed black. I thought they might be navy for a second. They're comfortable. I do think they're really cute on, and they're really cute with this outfit. So let me know what you think about this. I think it's a cute outfit, and again, I think Trunk Club did so much better with doing a casual cute outfit, and I haven't felt like anything was low quality. So not bad. Okay, let me go get I think it's the last outfit. It's a workout outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the workout outfit. I don't know what you guys like to work out in, but this is not it for me. Not to say that I always wear like sweatpants and a t-shirt. I like to wear leggings and stuff. Maybe I care too much about what I work out in. Okay, first, these are Sweaty Betty leggings. Lots of people look great in patterned leggings. I do not like them. I feel like patterns stretch my waist. It looks like, what's going on with the crotch right here? It actually has navy. You can't really tell. It has navy and this like terracotta color and white, and they're way too tight. And they're $100. $100 for these leggings, and they're just tight. They just give me muffin top. That's not good for working out. Tell me what you think. I mean, I don't think I look bad. All right, the next thing is this top by Zella, and it's $59, which is better, but I I mean, there has to be somebody who works out in this because it's a workout top. It feels like a wetsuit. It's like, and maybe it's just that it's too tight, but it's my size in theory. It has a weird length. It's thick and it feels like a wetsuit and it clings like a wetsuit. Like I am not sure what, like maybe going for a run in the rain, but it would be a real uncomfortable run. Like I am not sure. Yeah, tell me what you, at least it's not super overpriced. I mean, $59 is still a lot, but workout clothes can be expensive. The leggings aren't for me for $100 and the top is not for me. There's a black pair of leggings. I'll decide if I show you guys because they're just black leggings, but they're Nikes. And so sometimes I want to see how they're going to fit on people too. So maybe I'll try them on for you. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so the last thing are these Nike, they call them 7/8 tights. And I really like them. They're soft and they don't have any embellishments on them. And I need a pair for an event I'm going to today. I have other black like leggings tights that I work out in, so they kind of have some like little embellishments, little dots on them, or some other fabric or pockets or something. So I really needed just a pair of black tights, and these are great. They're smooth and the length is really great. I just put it on with this green sweater because I need to wear tights with this green sweater for an event. And I got this sweater from Evereve. And if you have not been to Evereve, you need to stop what you're doing. You need to Google where your closest Evereve is and go there and have them style you. If you spend trunk club prices, that's what you can expect at Evereve. But this stuff is high quality, super cute, super stylish. You will have a great experience. If you don't have an Evereve store near you, sign up to get their Transcend boxes. They're amazing. I always love everything. Give them a try. Okay, sales pitch over. But this super cute, soft green sweater I'm wearing for a show today with these black leggings. So I'm gonna get these. Okay, so I think all in all, this box was a million times better than the last boxes I've got. I think my stylist did a great job. I have no complaints. One scratchy sweater is not bad at all. I really love the style. I really thought it was casual to me. Not everything that I love, but I don't expect to love everything. And I really enjoyed trying on this box. I'm definitely getting the leggings and I'm leaning towards the cream sweater. I love the maroon pants, but I have a pair. I love the black Moto jacket, but I already have, let's be honest, I have multiple Moto jackets. I really liked everything. Both shoes I don't really need, but they're very cute. So I think this was a win. If you like these videos, if you'll give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get notifications of more videos that I post like this. I do lots of different unboxings, so I hope you liked it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.